Before installing the agent, you must be registered. A registration link can be obtained from Diagcode. You must also have the drivers installed for the J2534 pass-through hardware you will be using. Open the website OnlineDIAG.com, enter the email and password you registered with, and click the Login button. If desired, you can save your password to avoid entering it every time. Download the DIAG Agent software and install it. When the agent starts, its icon appears in the bottom right corner near the clock. Double-click the icon to open it automatically. On each computer you want to use, you must approve the agent the first time it starts by clicking the Approve button. Here, you will see the installed J2534 devices. Select the one that is connected, and it will be ready for use.